We're gonna put the chains on the 3020 here today. It snowed some last night, but we probably didn't need them for today, but we're gonna go ahead and get them on for the rest of the winter. There's a little bank that we have to go up in, and I wasn't sure if we'd go up in it. We only have like a skiff, but then it's also calling for a chance of snow here later this week. Doesn't say how much yet, but so you never know what you're gonna get. So we're gonna go ahead and get the chains put on, and I'm gonna roll in the footage here.